And this question, it is given that in a plate, a sucrose solution of coefficient of viscosity 0.015 is driven at a velocity of 10 raised to minus 3 meter per second through a xylem vessel of radius 2 micrometer and length of 5 micrometer. The hydraulic pressure difference across the length of xylem vessel is. So we can write the value of the equation for volume flow rate dV by dt across a small tube, which is equal to nothing but pi into r raised to 4 delta p divided by 8 into eta L. So from this we can find out what about the value of delta p over here. The value of delta p will be equal to dv divided by dt into 8 eta L divided by pi r raised to 4. Now we can just substitute the value over here, and the value of dv by dt is not given, the speed is given. So you can write dv by dt is nothing but area into velocity, volume flow rate is area into velocity, into 8 eta L divided by pi r raised to 4. And we can write this is area can be written as nothing but pi into r square. So instead of area we can write pi r square into velocity into 8 eta L divided by pi r raised to 4. So we can cancel this pi over here and pi over here, r raised to 2 and 1 r square over here. So the value of this delta p is going to be nothing but v into 8 into eta L divided by r square. Now we can just substitute the value over here. The velocity is velocity of liquid flow is given as nothing but 10 raised to minus 3. So you can write this as 10 raised to minus 3 into 8 into the value of eta is given as 0.0015 into L is given as nothing but 5 into 10 raised to minus 6. We need to convert that micro into meter, divided by r, which we can take it as the value of radius is given as 2 micrometer. So we can write this is equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 6 square, which is minus 12. So we can write this is equal to 0.0015 into 10 raised to, will have a term of 10 raised to minus 3 over here, plus 1 minus 6, and when this 12 is moving to up, then it's going to be plus 12, minus 12 is going to be plus 12. So we can write this is equal to 0.0015 into 10 raised to 4, or which we can write that is equal to 15.